Hello, this is Shashank. In this video, I will be telling you about the beautiful temples of Karnataka, which has got a history too. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the like on button.
Hasanamba temple is a Hindu temple located in Hasan, Karnataka, dedicated to the goddess Shakti Aramba. The temple was built in the 12th century and tourists are only allowed to visit the temple once a year during the Hindu festival Deepavali. The main tower at Sri Hasanamba temple has been newly constructed in Dravidian style. There are three major temples on the premises of this temple dedicated to Darbar Ganapati, Hasanamba and Siddheshwara. Another prominent attraction here is the shrine dedicated to Kalappa. It is said that during the rule of Hoysala dynasty in 12th century AD, an idol was found with its face wearing a pleasant smile. The Hasanamba temple is opened in the presence of the deputy commission for only 12 days during Deepavali celebrations. The temple can be reached by the train or roadways. The train connects from Bangalore, Mysore, Hubballi, Shivamogga. However, by road you can connected is Hasan is well connected to Bangalore, Mysore, and Chikmagalur. It's around 187 km from Bangalore and 15 kilometers from Mysore. Can get frequent government buses to Hasan from these cities or town. And also you can visit many places near to Hasan. Hyderabad Fort, which is in Sakleshpura, which is one of the most prominent taluk headquarters of Hasan district, is rich with many picnic spots and popular tourist places. The Munjirabad Fort is about 5 km away from Sakleshpur on the southwestern side. The fort has been constructed atop a hill which is about 988 meters above the ground level. This fort was built by Tippu Sultan in 1792. It is understood that Tippu Sultan was wonderstruck by scenic beauty of Manjirabad after witnessing it from the fort and therefore named the fort as Manjirabad Fort. There are many places to visit which are shown in video.
So, what are you waiting for? Do visit the temple next year, and you can also visit many nearby places in a day. You can also make a one-day trip and you can visit all the nearby places which are shown in video. Those who are much interested in traveling are those who wish to travel on weekends. So, thank you.